Hello everyone, Simon here from myfirstmagicweb.com. Making this video about pound and pound pairs and trades which I took in pound pairs. Yesterday I made a video and that was about the Euro-Aussie trade, and with the chart that I made already. And today let me show you the charts. Okay, this is the pound index chart. Right? Pound index chart, I made it on the September 20th, right? The date here, right? So this is how it was that it is gonna be dropping from this area 57.05, and first I said, okay, probably it will drop from 54.53. That's why I have this written here, but it went up a little bit here to this level, which was perfectly fine. So I said now it's gonna drop because you can see a shooting star kind of candle there, right? So what happened to this chart till as of today is this. Okay, it came down and it went just wobble a little bit here, and then today you can see that the Monday was a bearish candle as well, and today boom, it dropped. Now these are the weekly numbers, and let me show you where they are. For example, this weekly chart here. See, these are the just plain weekly chart I have. Is a 53.29, 52.96, and this number is 52.60, big one, right? So these are the number. If you draw on a 33-minute chart or even a daily chart, then you will see. Well, I'll have these. 53.29 is right there, but you cannot see what's really happening here unless you go to one of these charts. And then you see that so it dropped here and then it went below all the way down to 50 to 60, bounced from there, and it was hitting 53.29. So I made a chart saying that, okay, if it stays below, I made a weekly chart and send out to every one of you. I'm talking about talking to my subscribers now. So remember I said that the last chart that I gave you guys was that, okay, if we stay below 53.29, we will drop, right? And then I was Sunday or Monday I made the charts and I gave it to you, right? So the week started and we were still below that. Look at the 7-minute chart, how this thing start reacting. Look at that. All right, so this is 53.29. If you've been watching, you will see clearly that it's not going above it, it's just wobbling, but it's staying here below it, and all of a sudden, boom, 52.96, and then it started dropping, came here, 52.96, both these numbers, 52.96, no, this is 52.96, this is 50-60, man, what's up? This is 52.60, see how nice and clean? First, it came, broke below it, went up, found a it's like a little wobble here, like a ABC, correction kind of thing, small correction, right? And it was a clear sign that we're not bouncing and going up, we are just coming down. And then look how nicely it went all the way down. So keep watching this, and attacking on pound pair is the key, right? And this is what I've been teaching you guys. So you're watching the index after the news, or not news, whatever, but it was, I was expecting, and my pound USD chart, I'm showing like a couple of thousand pips to the downside, and it will only happen when pound will get a lot weaker, right? So, and then I was expecting it, and that's what I told you guys in the webinar Sunday, that pound weakness is supposed to come, and it will be big. Very slim chances of getting strong if Johnson come up with some magic wand like Trump has. Maybe he can buy it from the flea market or something. but anyway, all in all, pound is in trouble, right? So this is the clear sign now, it's coming down. So based on that, what did I do? And you guys have all the weekly charts of all pound pairs, and they were all showing to the downside, right? So let me show you that this is the first pound yen, all the way from the top, 120 pip, and then it just came down exactly the way pound index came down, right? So I've been watching that, and then all pound pairs going down, one by one. I took the entries on them. So this is pound yen. Next is pound NZD. It was all the way to the top. You can take a look at the weekly chart. Check that out. You will see this level there, 96.03, big level, and then right from there it will start dropping, right? And all the way down to this area, 93.49, 93.61 is the zone, and it came down. It went down a little bit more, but enough is enough, kind of thing, right? So this is pound NZD, same pound Aussie. From 82.91, big number, big huge weekly low, right? So we went below it, and then again went up to and testing it up to this 82.91, and then from there start to come down. And then once you know what the index is doing, you don't wait. When you see something like this happening, and just get in. That's it. By the way, I'm showing this pound Aussie 20-minute. But this was the setup on a 20-minute, but here on a 7-minute, I took the entry on 7-minute, but I'm showing this 20-minute chart because this whole thing was not coming into the 7-minute chart. So this is pound Aussie, and then look at the pound USD, same thing, right? It went down here, wobble a little bit, and then from there, and then another one is pound CAD, just like that. Was here and went up, wobbling here, and then today there was basically on Monday it started to come down. But all in all, when you know the index is going to drop, pound is going to drop, pound is going to get weaker, all the pound pairs are going to drop except one, euro pound, obviously, right? Euro pound will go up because pound is on the right hand side. Let me show it to you. Maybe yeah, I always have the chart open here. See, this is what happened because of the pound weakness. It went up, right? But I don't trade this pair, you know that, so never touch it. So this is how it is, how easy it was, and I hope that you guys took some of these trades. And I even posted on my Telegram also that this is what happened, and just watch out for those other setup as well, like CAD yen, USD yen. They were going down too, right? So yeah, so all in all, so now I'm gonna talk to well, maybe Joey, if you'll be watching this, then I will talk to you on the Skype tonight, and I'll explain it to you. Maybe it is not wave 4, maybe it was a ABC correction, and now it's all to the downside. As long as this it stays below 50 to 60. I don't see it, pound getting strong above that. So, and we are way below now, right now. We are at 51.43. We may go up, but only to make a short setup here and then continue to the downside. Unless, like I said, that Johnson come out with something, some magical, thing. Other than that, it has to go down. All right. So continue tonight with that. And whatever all the other pairs, and then watch out the euro charts as well. And I don't have anything in my mind, so I'm going to close it now. Just wanted to show you that this is how easy it is. That if you pay attention, look at the charts, look at the index chart that I gave you. I gave you all the indexes, and I gave you all the pairs, right? All pound pairs, all yen pairs, and all USD pairs you have, and all Aussie pairs. So and then look, just one little wobble in the in the index, and this is the chart I gave you a long time ago, actually, right? And the last night I gave you yesterday. On Sunday I gave you the chart, the weekly chart, which was also showing to the downside, below 53.92, right? 29, sorry, 53.29. And that's exactly what happened when market opened up, London opened, and then 53.29 held, and we dropped to this high here now. So this is it for now, and hopefully keep an eye on my Telegram, and whatever I see, I find out any 33-minute chart setups and whatever, I'll post it on the Telegram, right? So this is it for now, and talk to you guys later. How do I close? Oh, there's the pen.